Good morning, good afternoon, o good evening, o anumang oras mo napanood ang video ito. Welcome sa ating channel, Matuto Dapat, sapagkat ang kaalaman ay isang mahalagang kayamanan. Sa oras na ito ay ating pag-aralan ang Bernoulli equation in differential equation. And don't forget to watch and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Matuto Dapat, for more updates. Alright, so these are our definitions. The Bernoulli equation in differential equations is a first-order nonlinear ordinary differential equation. It's a special type of equation that can be transformed into a linear equation through a clever substitution, making it solvable using standard methods. So, from Bernoulli equations, i-convert natin into linear equation so that we can solve it. And then after that, we will solve the equation using the linear equation. Okay? So this is the Bernoulli equation. Number 1, dy dx plus the function of x with and multiply to y, or the p of x times y equals q of x times y sub raised to n. So kung mapansin natin, dito po ay kapariha doon sa ating linear equation. Ang pagkakaiba lang dito, itong mayroon siyang y to the n, may power dito, no? So in this case, magiging ano siya eh. So hindi siya naging linear. But then the solution is the integrating factor is this one. This is just like the linear equation, which is v times e raised to the integral of p of x dx equals the integral of q of x times e raised to the integral of p of x dx. Okay? So in terms of x naman, kanina in terms of x, ngayon in terms of y, ito naman ang kanya maging equation, no? So dx over dy plus p of y times x equals q of y, or the function of y here, ang function of y here, okay, times x raised to n, no? Kung ito naman ay yung may power yung x naman, no? So our integrating factor or the solution is v times e raised to the integral of p of y dy equals the integral of q of y times e raised to the integral of py dy k dy. So makita natin, no, from Bernoulli papunta pong linear equation. Okay, so we have now our Bernoulli equation and we have to solve this. Okay, so unang gagawin natin, we have to multiply 1 over y raised to n both sides. Ayan. So pag na-multiply na natin, then we have to distribute that. So maging y raised to negative n dy dx plus p of x times y raised to 1 minus n. So that is the property of exponent, no? Is equal to q of x. So q of x na lang ang nandito. Okay? And then let v equals y raised to 1 minus n. So ito gagawin nating v. So ayan po. And then the derivative of v is equal to 1 minus n times y raised to 1 minus n minus 1 dy. So power rule ang ginagamit po natin dito. And then divide 1 over n both side, and then we come up dv over 1 minus n equals y raised to negative n dy. So kung mapapansin natin, itong y raised to n natin dito, so mapapansin natin, ito siya ay kamukha na nito, no? Okay. Yan. Okay. So nangyari, ito siya, sinasubstitute natin doon. Okay, yung y raised to negative n dy. So naging dv over 1 minus n ito. Dx plus P of x times V equals Q of x. Yan, Q of x na lang. So, ibig sabihin, naging linear na siya, no? So, linear form na. Okay? So, ganun po ang gagawin natin. Now, we have example 1. We have to solve 4x squared minus 8y to the fourth plus 4xy dx dy equals 0. So, unang gagawin natin is multiply natin both side by dy dx. Okay? So, maging 4x squared dy dx minus 8y to the fourth plus xy equals 0. Okay. So, ang target natin ito kasi makaporma tayo ng Bernoulli equation. Yun po targetin natin. No, from the general equation, ito, makabuo tayo ng Bernoulli equation. Okay? So, may dy dx tayo dito. And then, we have to multiply 4x squared both sides. Ayan. So, times 1 over 4x squared. So, mangyayari ay dy dx minus 8y to the fourth divided by 4x squared minus 4xy over 4x squared equals 0. Cancel natin yung ibang 8 divide 4. So, 2 na lang dito. Y to the fourth x squared minus ito 4xy divided by 4x squared. So, magiging y over x equals 0. Okay, so nangyari, ganito na ang format, no? Itong mayroong y exponent kasi ito po ay linear equation, Bernoulli equation in terms of x, no? So, dapat should be a function of x. Ang ating y, yung may exponent ng y, lipat po natin sa kabilang side of the equation. Okay. Ayan. So, yun na yung last natin doon, no? So, ngayon, balikan natin yung ating procedure. So, itong y raised to 4, divide natin yan, multiply natin both sides, divide natin. Okay? 1 over y to the fourth. Ayan. So, ang mangyayari niyan, so magiging y raised to negative 4 dy dx minus 1 over x. So, function of x ito. Tapos, ito ating y may exponent. So, y raised to negative 3. O, negative 3 kasi, that is, di ba 1 yung ating exponent ng y dito. So, property of exponent, kapag nag-divide tayo, so that is y raised to 1 minus 3, y minus 4. So, that's negative 3 equals 2 over x squared. So, q of x na to. No? So, let d equals y equals y raised to negative 3. Ang ating dv ay negative 3, power rule natin, negative 3 times y raised to negative 3 minus 1 dy. So, divide negative 3 both sides, so we come up dv over negative 3 equals y raised to negative 4 dy. Okay? So, ito, substitute natin dito. Okay, gaya ng ginawa natin kanina, no? So, ito na. So, itong nandito, ayan o. Ayan, substitute natin, no? Ayan. So, kaya ito, ganyan ang naging kalabasan. Okay? Next natin. So, ngayon, since mayroon negative 3 dito, para maging linear ito, linear of v, so divide natin at multiply by negative 3 both sides. So, mangyari na dv over dx plus 3 over x. So, negative 1 over x times negative 3, maging 3 over x v equals negative 6 over x squared. Okay? So, linear in V na siya, no? So, integrating factor natin ay V times e raised to the integral of P of x dx equals Q of x times e raised to P of x dx, ang integral of P of x dx. Okay, so, substitute natin, ito yung ating P of x, no? Ito yung P of x natin. Okay. Ito yung P of x natin. Ito naman ang ating Q of x. Okay. Ayan, Q of x natin to. So, kaya ganun ang nangyari, no? So, the integral of 3 over x dx equals negative 6. Yan, tapos 1 over x squared times, nilabas natin yung 6 dito, factor na coefficient natin, times, ganun din sa kabila yung ating e raised to the power of 3 over x dx, o an integral of 3 over x dx. Okay? Then, solve po the integration. So, integral of 3 over x dx is 3 ln x. Okay? And then, ayan, copy lang ito. Tapos, integral nito ay 3 ln x. Okay, so that is 3 raised to 3 ln x. Tapos, law of logarithm. So, yung 3 exponent natin kay x squared. So, magiging ln of x cubed. So, v e times raised to ln of x cubed equals negative 6 integral of 1 over x squared times e raised to ln x cubed dx. Okay, so makancel natin yung e at saka ln x. Okay, yan, makancel natin. So, ang matitira natin ay x cubed. So, v times x cubed equals 6, negative 6 integral of x cubed over x squared dx. And since makancel po natin ito x cubed over x squared, so x dx na lang. And, yan. So, ito na yon, bx cubed equals negative 6 integral of x dx. So, ang integral nito ay x squared over 2. So, plus c, no? Plus c. So, bx cubed equals 3x, negative 3x squared plus c. But, ang v natin ay y raised to negative 3. So, substitute yung v natin. So, y raised to negative 3x cubed equals negative 3x squared plus c. So, multiply natin ng, ayan, yung y raised to negative 3. Okay? So, ginawa natin positive and then multiply y cubed. So, the final answer is x cubed equals negative 3x squared y cubed plus c y cubed. So, yun po yung ating final answer. Example 2. Solve the y dx plus 3x cubed y plus x dy equals 0. So, yun po yung ating equation and we have to convert that equation into Bernoulli equation. Okay, yung unang gagawin natin is to distribute dy. So, maging y dx plus 3x cubed y dy plus x dy equals 0. Okay, and then divide natin 1 over y dy. So, multiply natin both sides. Kaya ang mangyayari ay ganito. So, dx over dy plus 3x cubed plus x over y equals 0. So, ito naman ay in terms of y na. No? Kanina in terms of x, ngayon in terms of y. So, dx over dy plus 1 over y x. So, itong 3x cubed, lipat natin sa kabila. No? So, ang ating may power ngayon ay ang ating x. So, solution, multiply 1 over x cubed both sides. So, yan po. Tapos, ang mangyayari, multiply natin si 1 over x cubed. So, magiging x raised to negative x, x raised to negative 3 dx dy. plus 1 over y times x raised to negative 2 equals negative 3. Okay. Ang v natin ay x negative raised to negative 2. dv natin ay negative 2 times x raised to negative 2 minus 1 dx. So therefore, dv equals, dv over negative 2 is equal to x negative raised to negative 3 dx. Okay? So, substitute natin ito dito. Okay? So, ang mangyari, yan. dv over negative 2 dy plus 1 over yv equals negative 3. So, linear in v na siya. And ito, but we have to multiply negative 2 both sides. Okay? Para matanggal natin si negative 2 dito. So, magiging dv over dy plus negative 2 over yv equals 6. Okay? So, since linear of in v in terms of y na po tayo, then ang ating p of y equals negative 2 over y, ang ating q of y is 6, no? So, substitute natin doon sa ating integrating factor. So, this is our integrating factor. V times e raised to integral of p of y dy equals integral of q of y times a raised to integral of p of y dy. Okay? So, yan. Substitute natin ang ating p of y. And that is negative 2 times the integral of 1 over y dy equals 6 times integral of wala 6 kasi to. So, nilabas na natin si 6. 6 dito. Integral of a raised to negative 2 times 1 over y dy. Okay, so v times e raised to negative 2 l and y. So the integral nito ay l and y. And then multiply negative 2. So ganun din dito sa kabila ng side. Okay, so power rule natin, the law of logarithm, ito ay gawin nating exponent ng y. So y raised to negative 2. Okay, so ln of y raised to negative 2. Tapos, makancel na natin yung ln, e at saka ln. Ito. So, ang matitira ay y raised to negative 2 na. Okay? So, that is v times y raised to negative 2 equals 6 times the integral of y raised to negative 2 dy. And the integral of this ay, ayan. So, plus 1, negative 2 plus 1, so maging negative 1. Okay. Tapos, negative over negative 1, kaya ito po ang maging resulta. So, v times 1 over y squared equals 6 times negative 1 over y plus c. But v is negative x to negative 2 or 1 over x squared. Substitute natin. So, ganun po ang maging kalabasan. 1 over x squared times 1 over y squared equals negative 6 over y plus c. Multiply by x squared, y squared, both sides. Kaya ang nangyari ay 1 equals negative 6x squared y plus cx squared y squared. So, that is our final answer. Or pwede rin natin gamitin x squared equals 1 over cy squared minus 6y. So, pwede po natin i-convert na ganyan. No? So, factor out natin si x squared dito. Okay, kaya lumabas po to. Pag ito i-multiply natin, yan, cross multiply. So, that is x squared, cx squared y squared ito times negative 6x squared y. Okay, equals 1. Okay? So, it's the same. Alright, so this is your activity to answer. Pwede kayong magpatulong, no, sa mga marunong. And then, try to solve your own muna, no? Bago kayo tumutingin ng mga self-help na mga videos o kaya sa libro, no? Try to share, no, this video to your friends. I hope you learn from this video. Salamat na marami. God bless.